Hello everyone, I'm Yash from Ideabox Creations, and today in this video we will take a look at the testimonials widget of Powerpack Elements add-on for Elementor. With this widget, you can create impressive testimonials or review sections on your website using the Elementor page builder. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Elementor plugin and the Powerpack Elements add-on for Elementor, so make sure you have these two plugins installed and activated on your website. Let's go ahead and see how you can use this widget. Open the page where you want to add the testimonials section using the Elementor page builder. Now look for the testimonials widget. Drag and drop the testimonial sections on your page, but make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner of the testimonials. So that means Powerpack's testimonials widget. Once you drag and drop, you will see the default content popping up. Let's go ahead and see how you can customize this. To add an item, you can just go to Testimonials Content tab, click on the item and change the content that you want to. You can change the image, name, position as well as the rating for that specific testimonial. For the rating, just enter the number from 1 to 5 and the same rating will be displayed in your testimonial. To add more items, just click on the Add Item button and change the content here. Let's add one more testimonial. Now once you are done adding the testimonials, let's see what all customizations that you can make for the same. For the layout, you can choose from carousel, slideshow or grid. The carousel layout will look like this one. If you want to go with slideshow layout, this is what the layout will look like. And if you want to go with a grid layout, this is what your display would look like. You can also change the number of columns for your testimonials. And if you want to go with a different style, you can change the skin of the testimonial and you will get a different design. You can change the content style from default to bubble. So right now it is default. If you do not want to show the image of your client, you can disable it from the show image option. And for the image position, you can change it to inline or stacked. Further, you can change the image size, and if you want to show the quotations icon at the top of the review, you can do that too. Once you are done making changes here, let's take a look at the styling options that you get with the testimonials widget. Head over to the style tab. Here you can customize the testimonial, content, image, rating and orders separately. Let's start with the testimonial styling. Here you can change the row spacing, column spacing, background, border radius, box shadow as well as the inner padding. Now for the content, you can change the background color, text color, you can customize the typography, border. If you want to increase or decrease the gap between the image and the content, you can do that too. Further, you can change the text alignment, position alignment, padding, box shadow. And for the name and position, you can change the text color, typography and the gaps separately. Now for the image, you can change the image size, gap and border type as well as the border radius. Now for the ratings, you can change the icon style, unmarked style, size, spacing, color and the unmarked color as well. If you want to change the unmarked style, just switch it from the outline to solid version or vice versa. Now for the order, if you want to change the order of your content like image, name, position and rating, you can do that too by selecting the order that you want your image or name to have from this list. Once you are done making all the changes, you can go ahead and update your page and see what your testimonial section looks like. Further, you can create carousel layout and slideshow layout like these two. Let me know what you think of the testimonials widget of Powerpack Elements add-on for Elementor, and if you guys found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.